Welcome to 'Cause We Can Farms. We are Heather and Kimmy, best friends for over 30 years. Together we are building a shipping container tiny home on 73 acres in northern Idaho. We have slowly been working on this build as we increase our skills so that we can continue to grow this homestead. Later this summer, we will be working on a pole barn that we have milled from lumber off of the property. Make sure that you subscribe so that you can follow the journey.
That's a smart thing you're doing.
Well,
you're a smart cookie.
Well, trial and error. I've missed a lot.
Let's mark it before we put things up so we know where.
So what we're doing today, guys, is we're finishing this center. As you can see, we left over the pipe of the wood stove open until I don't want it to get too hot. So we're just not going to work on that until we're no longer using the wood stove and can pull everything out and get it done the right way. So we're working on this. Let's hope I do better with the light boxes. And we did check back in the bedroom talking about the spray foam. It is also doing it back there. So a lot of it, most of it happened on the ceiling. There's maybe one or two spots that happened on the walls, but otherwise, you know, we spray foamed this. It was 70 degrees. It was the optimal temperature of when they said to do it. It was not a rainy day, so there was no moisture in the air kind of thing. We did everything it said, the way it said to do it on the packaging. This is a DIY product. I don't know why it didn't stick. There didn't appear to be anything on the metal before we sprayed it. But here's what we're going to do, because we're going to just go ahead and move forward. We are doing one of two things on the roof upstairs. We're either putting a deck to cover all of this, or we're actually going to put a slanted roof. So either way, we're going to insulate the floor of said deck or underneath the roof. So there will be a bunch of insulation, 6 to 8 inches of insulation on the top, and the snow won't get to it. So I think that in itself is just going to stop the sweating issues, because we're not going to get snow on there, and so it'll be heavily insulated. So that's what we're going to do. That's how we're going to address it. We're going to continue to just increase our insulation on this side, put our boards up, and get on with this build.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate.
I've never heard of lubing up a light socket before. What is happening?
Well, we don't wear red lipstick on this hill. So if we can just get a little grease mark, I guess, then I could cut that out. I don't know. It's a try.
Yeah, we have seen people use red lipstick around the rim of that to mark the board. And it seemed to work pretty well, but we did not have any on hand.
And honestly, I mean, I guess maybe we should buy some at the dollar store the next time we're there, just because we have all the walls to do. And then we can throw it away. I don't know about you, but that's not my color.
No, not at all.
So, okay, this should work. A little extra.
That's how real builders do it, right?
Yeah. So I don't see it.
Okay, it is right here. You can see, now you can see with the light. Yeah.
Okay.
Just a tiny bit your way.
Okay, this is a little bigger than the hole. So
Okay. Should be good. Wait, there's a stool under there.
New hockey puck, Chloe.
That's always fun to try to get out.
Yeah, these are actually coming out pretty easy. Well, the whole collection by the end of the day, hopefully. Hopefully that works and we don't have this craziness.
Yeah. Well,
we are going to fix that. I'm going to cut the things out and we'll put it up there. We're just not going to do it right this second, but we will be fixing that. And because we're doing a finish on the ceiling here in the middle, it would be covered up anyway, so not too worried about it. I never claimed to be perfect.
Good thing. None of us are. Yes, sir. What are you trying to do? Climb my leg? Okay, how calibrated is your eyes? Let's see.
Perfect. It's
Dang.
only whenever I use a tape measure that I screw up a lot.
So I guess it still works. You just shove it up there.
Yep. Here we are. Okay, hand me my drill, please.
You're doing. Oh,
My drill, I want to screw this
where
in.
is your drill? I do help. See, I hand things.
If you don't look at me, I don't see you. Hi, dude. What's going on? We got some loose bunnies. We're totally gonna have 9 million bunnies, baby bunnies, running around this spring. Ooh, that one's like, I'm gonna fight you for the food. I see you coming after me, sir. Hello, miss. I think you're the reason we have all these other bunnies running around, don't we? Hey, Donald. Did you find your girlfriend? Here comes your bro. Thinks he's sneaking up on me. I'm not scared of you.